Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to another episode of Just Asking, and I'm your host, Zain Ali Salari. Today, we're right here at AU Kamra campus, Air University, Kamra. We're asking people some really fun and exciting questions. Let's hear from the audience what they have to say. What is that one thing that was simple previously, but it's not simple anymore?
I would say, comparing to the generational gap, I think the adult life has become more complex than it was before.
It's difficult, right?
It's interaction with people.
Interaction with people.
Yeah.
What do you see? What has changed?
I think people have much more differentiated between lifestyles and all these things. So
There's a huge shift
Yeah.
in between the way they used to interact
yeah,
and now the way
now
they
it's very
interact.
complicated.
Life used to be simple.
Life was
but
simple.
Now it's
True.
not simple. When we were young, we thought that when we will grow up, everything will become easy. Sunflower and rainbow and sunshine and rainbows. But when we just broke that age 18 barrier, we were
It should be taking a picture.
Picture.
Yeah.
Previously, it was like any angle.
Yeah.
Put it any angle.
You can just click a single picture and that would be enough.
Education.
Education.
Yes.
What has changed in the education?
In the start, things were simple,
Simple.
but as time passes and modern world progress day by day, the education is becoming more complex and complex.
What is something that got worse over the time?
Being woman, I would think that the woman life has got worse over the time. Maybe it is a very serious answer, but first there was only some challenges we were like facing.
Couple of challenges.
But while coping up with these challenges, I think we women also opened so many challenges for us aside.
I would say again, people.
What people?
Yeah, their mindset,
Their mindset.
view of life, and
It's more of like a race. Everybody
yeah,
is running
yeah,
something.
Everybody is running, and parents are educating you, just to earn. I think you have
They
to
want
earn.
you to get the job, huh?
Yeah.
Well, there are a lot of things that got worse over time, but I would say the mental health.
Your mental health? What has happened, bro?
I can't disclose all of that, but graph is like,
It's declining. It's declining.
no, it has crashed.
It has burst down, huh?
It's burst down and gone in the ground.
Making a plan about going somewhere.
Making a plan.
Yeah.
Because, see, there are two different personalities. One, they just make a plan and they go.
Yeah.
Sometimes, some people, they just plan, and
Yeah.
no execution.
Like you are making a plan, you should execute. But you are making a plan and this problem came.
There are
and
thousands
now,
of things coming.
And now you can't even execute that simple plan.
Our fashion styles.
Fashion styles.
Yes.
I think they got better. No.
No. At a time when a fashion can be done by simplicity too. according to me.
Decent and simple is also
Yes.
the fashion. But putting up so much color. What is that one thing people rely heavily on nowadays?
ChatGPT
ChatGPT. For everything.
for everything.
What are you using ChatGPT for?
Literally everything.
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 Just tell me 2-3 daily tasks that you do.
My whole degree was ChatGPT. I've done the assignments, the quiz, my final year project.
Everything.
All thanks to that.
AI.
AI? Why? It's all AI everywhere.
I think nowadays we don't want to spend much time on thinking and writing up yourself and all that. Yeah,
Being a
we
critical
just want
thinker.
someone to do us, do things
do
for
work
us.
for us. Ah.
That's why.
Well, people rely heavily on money nowadays.
Money,
Before it used to be knowledge, people used to rely on the knowledge.
intellect,
Intellect, knowledge,
Mm,
way of
good.
speaking, way of thinking. But nowadays, it's just money.
If you have
and
money, you are valued.
AI.
AI. Are you always relying on AI as well?
Sure. Like we are making a plan about going somewhere. I would
Just
like
ChatGPT it.
ask, but according to this budget and that, what place is more suitable?
Of course, artificial intelligence.
Of course, artificial intelligence.
Yes.
Are you using it?
Of course.
What are you doing?
I write my codes of programming from.
That's for betterment.
yes,
That's
yes.
for betterment.
Yes, of course. For educational purposes, sometimes I don't understand my concepts, so I use ChatGPT.
What is something that modern life has made more stressful for us?
Social media.
Social media.
Like as I mentioned that life is becoming more competitive.
It's
So when we
competitive.
use social media, like we see people who are having different lives and we start comparing it.
Like, I would say giving opinion on something controversial. That's very stressful.
It's stressful because you are always
yeah.
looking behind your shoulder, and over the shoulder.
Like even your opinion can get very trending topic of the time and social media mostly. You are just giving an opinion, but people are taking as like you are targeting someone, and then it becomes.
So your voices are not safe anymore.
No.
Once you speak, be careful because whatever has gone out,
Yeah.
it can go crazy, viral, and it may come backlashing and backbiting.
Yeah.
Showing up.
Showing up. Showing off or up?
Showing up for someone.
Maintaining physical appearances.
Physical appearances?
Yeah.
Is it just the body appearance or the
Your whole personality.
outfits as well?
Like your whole personality, you are depending so much on social media and all that. Like you are posting something, you have to maintain that persona now.
That persona all across.
Yeah.
I
One
will
line.
come to that same point. Education.
Education.
Yes.
It's more stressful.
Yes.
You gotta put yourself out there.
They are making
still
it
you are
complex.
unsure.
From time to time, education is becoming complex and
It's
complex.
becoming complex.
Yes.
According to you, what is something that you think will change over the next 5 years?
Coexist in
Coexistence.
Yes, in every aspect, as for you in gender, in religion, in professional life, you just need to coexist. You need to respect other people's opinion.
I think that would be controversial, but I would say, I want to look change in men's thought of thinking of women.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
How they think about.
They need to be more educated about the women's right as well.
Relying solely on something will.
Is it the monetary terms or something else?
Well, things are getting hard. with
It's
time.
hard. Yeah.
In the past, people used to rely on a single thing,
One single
one
job.
asset, one asset,
One asset or one job.
one job.
That's it. What is something, according to you, will change in the next 5 years?
That would be surviving in this economy.
In this tough economy,
Yeah.
with this inflation, pricing going skyrocketing,
And
unemployment is at the peak.
yeah, and we are spending so much money on our education, and still we don't have any guarantee that we will get a job or.
Yeah. That's true, man.
Artificial intelligence.
Oh, how?
Of course, artificial intelligence will change our coping styles, our fashion styles,
Anything.
our education, our food preferences. As at a time when there was no artificial intelligence, people used to argue and plan things with each other.
They sit together, they
sit
strategize,
together,
they
yes.
plan, they execute
Yes,
things. But
yes.
now
But
everything
now
you gotta put
it's
it out
just a
there.
prompt. It's just a single line, and it gives you the rest of the prompt.
This is the era of the prompt. Before we close today's episode, I want all of you guys to let me know in the comment section what is that one thing that was simple previously but it's not simple anymore.